this arrived in the post today. It only took 7 days, not the 15 that they suggested, and it was from AliExpress, so I always hold a certain amount of skepticism about delivery times. But actually, so far, they've been really good. This, I was skeptical about whether it would feel like it was quality or feel like a rip-off. But actually, packaging, quality, the feel of it, design, everything feels like it's a legit SOG multi-tool. It's the Powerpint. So it's kind of an alternative to the Gerber Dime. It's a wee bit bigger than that. But smaller than the likes of a Leatherman Supertool, which is what I've had for over 10 years. This is it. So it is nice and small. Actually has a wee belt clip already attached to it. Even though I got the set with the Velcro pouch, which is nicely designed, belt clip on it. So I think I'll actually repurpose that from the Swiss Army knife. Fits my Swiss Army knife really well. So that was really lovely, and I also got this little extra, which is a little multi-tool. It's got wrenches on it, screwdriver, bits, bottle opener, carbide sharpener, all this kind of stuff. I should really show you the back of that, just to show you all the things that it has. And also the bit set. This is class, so it comes like that. So the bits slot into the top of the multi-tool, and you squeeze it and it grips. Like, it is so well designed. So very, very happy with this. The Leatherman that I have, which I've had for, say, over 10, 15 years, is just big and heavy and bulky, so I don't really, I'm kind of reluctant to bring it. And the idea is that, yeah, I'll just bring this as an everyday carry kind of item. Delighted with that. So it came as £29 or so, £30, including postage, and that took 7 days to get here to Belfast. So I'm very happy with that.